Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have editor or admin access. This matters because permissions control whether you can rename pages. Next, open the sitemap or page list and locate the exact page by title or URL slug so you don't edit the wrong item. Make sure to note the current URL, SEO title, and any menus that reference the page. Once done, you avoid broken links and preserve search visibility. You now enter the edit mode and change the visible title field. This updates what visitors see immediately. At the same time, update the URL slug if needed, but be aware that changing a slug can break links, so create redirects. Then revise SEO title, meta description, and open graph tags so search engines and social shares show the new name. Also, update menus and internal links, doing all related fields. Save and publish your changes, then set a 301 redirect from the old URL to the new one if you change the slug. This preserves SEO and user bookmarks. Clear any site and CDN caches, and verify the page loads correctly on desktop and mobile. Finally, test internal links, search results, and social preview cards to ensure consistency. If something goes wrong, check the redirect configuration first. Misconfigured redirects are the most common cause of broken links.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.